when it comes to sibling rivalry, it is not just between the two siblings with blood related siblings. It can happen in joint family also when the cousins are of a same age, similar age. Okay, when there is a big house and lot of kids are around, so it can happen in the house. Okay, it can happen between the in the family in other ways also. So basically, in one roof, if there are two kids of similar age, they can have the sibling rivalry. So ये present होगा if you are having a only child. That does not mean that this does not exist. If it is happening in the house, you can just keep a notice to this. So to understand what is sibling rivalry, it's basically verbal or physical fights, name calling, teasing, bickering, continuously complaining about each other. Okay, being in constant competition for adults' attention or parental attention. Okay, it's about also being voicing their feeling towards envy. किसने ये किया, उसने वो किया, mama look at this, papa look at this. So constant bickering about each other and name calling are the ways that the child is expressing this fights. I just want to clarify one more thing. Sibling rivalry is very common and very normal also to a certain extent. As a child, we all also have experienced some sort of competition, some fights, teasing with our sibling. It is normal. It is important for the normal development of a child in the house. A child can learn sharing, understanding each other. A child can also learn teamwork, leadership skills, being patient. All of this can be learned by a child through a sibling. ओके तो ये राइवलरी जो है इट इज अ वेरी नॉर्मल थिंग बट इट बिकम्स अ प्रॉब्लम when parents are not able to handle it and the children are continuously bickering about each other and do not share any positive bond with each other. That's a sign, that's a red flag when we have to okay take a stand कि, okay we might have to get involved into the fight because the children are not understanding and they are taking fight to another level. So ये पहले understand करना कि जब तक fight हो रही है is it a normal sibling fights, then okay, do not get involved. But if you feel कि, okay, this is happening since a very long time and the fights are getting more aggressive and consistent and one person is getting hurt emotionally or physically, that's the time as a parent you have to take a stand कि something is going on and you have to come and pitch in. So ये सबसे पहला red flag है. If the fight is happening for more than 6-7 months, is the time you need to be involved. Okay, and the children are not sharing any positive relationship at all.